Hello, my name is Kaloyan Radulov and I'm the CEO of OMAYA Yachts. And today we are the world premiere of our flagship model OMAYA 50. With its boasting 8.4 meters beam, it's best in class in the 50 feet segment. It has 156 square meters of living area. And here we're starting our boat tour from the aft cockpit. We can see the high quality teak table, which it can be used as a dining or as a daily coffee table. We have the high quality teak chairs, and also on the stern we have hot and cold showers on the port side and on the starboard. At the back we also have a high-low hydraulic platform which can be used for launching your dinghy or as a deck extension. Now let's go to the saloon. Through the sliding glass doors we're entering the saloon, and we can already notice the vast space which is coming from the 8.4 meter beam. We see here, you can also see the dining table which can seat 10 people, where you can enjoy the infinity view of the sea to the aft, or you can also enjoy a nice TV show on the retractable TV. On the right side you can see the fully equipped galley with a double door fridge, dishwasher, combined convection oven, induction cooktop and the large sink. This space is equipped with quite a lot of storage on the floor, the whole sofa and the poofs. You can find this suitable for all your luggage. Also, the panoramic windows have electrical blinds which can be controlled from the interior helm station. The front door access makes walking around the boat easy and seamless. And now we are at the front cockpit. Here we have a beautiful seating area with a coffee table, sunbeds for your friends and a nice sun awning. Here also you can find the entrances to the crew cabin and the crew head. They're fully equipped with a shower, toilet and a sink. The twin staircases take you to the flybridge. This unique feature makes it very suitable for chartering. Here you can service the expansive dining area with cocktails and food directly from the saloon. The area can seat up to 12 people and can also be used for lunch together with the wet bar, which is equipped with grill, sink, fridge and ice maker. On the front side of the flybridge we have the sunbeds and the main helm station. This helm station is fully equipped with VHF radio, 2D or 3D forward-looking sonar, the touchscreen with hard buttons where you can control all the digital switching, chart plotter and radars. Also you have the controls for the bow thruster, the electronic steering, the chain counter and the engines. OMAYA 50 is a CEA class boat. With an efficiently designed hull, it has a fuel consumption of 35 liters on a cruising speed of 9.5 knots. This cruising speed is achieved with standard engines of 320 horsepower, while with the larger 440 horsepower engines, the cruising speed is around 13 knots. The top speed respectively are 17 knots and 23 knots. Welcome to the port side hull. Here I want to show you the master suite. At the aft we have the queen size bed with the ambient lighting, which is controlled separately by the main lighting on the ceiling. We see that we have many panoramic windows which are showing views to the ocean. In the middle section we have a very comfortable sofa in the entertainment area, which also has the 50 feet inch TV. Under the TV we have plenty of storage area with cabinets and drawers. Further forward we can see the washing machine and the dedicated office area. With this office area you can calmly work, and with the Starlink on board you can be sure that you have stable connection everywhere in the world. Further in the home we are entering the master bathroom. Here you can have a choice between single or double sink, toilet, bidet and again plenty of storage. With a separate climate control you can control the air conditioning here and also in the cabin separately. Also you have a dedicated shower room with either this kind of showers or a ceiling shower. We're now entering the guest hull. Here we have the VIP cabin and the guest cabin. In the VIP cabin we have plenty of storage, cabinets and drawers, separate air conditioning control and control of the lighting. You have the ambient LED lights and the main ceiling lights. Again, you can see the panoramic views opening to the ocean, and here we can see also the dedicated ensuite bathroom with shower room and toilet. The guest cabin is also equipped with an ensuite bathroom with shower room and toilet, but also have two entrances, one private entrance from the cabin and one entrance from the corridor for guests that are not accommodated on the boat. Here you can see the queen size bed, the views, separate climate control and the comfort that this cabin allows.